it's hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior.
2025 Toyota Yaris Cross. Have you already checked out all the details of the 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross? The car promises sophistication, robustness, and confidence, with a very modern design and cutting-edge technology. Check here for information such as price and consumption. Meet the new 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross. Firstly, the 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross marks the new generation of the SUV for the US market in 2025. The model will be presented in 2023, but sales should only start at the beginning of next year. Right away, its platform is much simpler than that used by its European cousin, and it features a design heavily inspired by the Corolla Cross and the RAV4. It is not yet known whether the model will be manufactured here, in the city of Sorocaba, SP, but we know that it will arrive with some different aspects from the variants sold in Europe, such as its size, since it is larger. How did the model look? At first, the design, although quite beautiful, is not at all innovative. In fact, it is basically a mix of other Toyota cars, such as the Highlander, sold in the United States, and those mentioned previously. The details that draw the most attention, however, are the front with extremely angular headlights and the vertical fog lights. Combining this with its wide trapezoid-shaped grille, it certainly looks imposing. Therefore, the interior features elements that date back to the sedan version, but with modifications. At the rear, a highlight is the lamp similar to that of the RAV4, in the shape of a diamond. What versions are available? Initially, Toyota will bring the Yaris Cross to US in early 2025. In Europe, the model is sold in the following versions: Comfort, Comfort Plus, Exclusive, Square Collection, Luxury, GR Sport. However, it has not yet been announced which versions of the 2025 Yaris Cross will arrive in US. They all come with hybrid engines, and prices vary from €23,780 to €33,900.00. Technical sheet of the 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross. Among the models circulating in Indonesia, the hybrid versions are expected to arrive here. After all, they fit perfectly with the company's promises and its vehicle electrification plan. Hybrids combine a 90 HP electric motor with an 80 HP 1.5. However, consumption, as well as other details of the car's engine, have not yet been announced. Regarding the interior, images confirmed a 10.1 multimedia center accompanied by a 7 digital panel. And the list of accessories also includes things like a blind spot monitor, parking sensor, electronic parking brake, 6 airbags, and stability control. In short, the new 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross is a very interesting vehicle to invest in the coming months, especially with the rise of the SUV market, which is now stronger than ever. Furthermore, we are talking about a hybrid car, which is another national trend, and a relatively low price for everything it can deliver. You can check out the car's presentation on Toyota official website. All that's left now is for Toyota to confirm the rumors, and this could be one of the best-selling cars of 2025.